Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to download and install Fotor AI app on PC. So guys, this is available in Microsoft Store. So just simply go to your start menu and go to the search bar and search for Microsoft Store and open the store. Now from here, use the search bar at the top and search for the application, which is Fotor AI. And now from here, as you can see, it is available over here. So select this one and just simply select get. And after that, it will automatically be downloaded. So it is currently almost 1 GB. So it may take some time. Now guys, once it is done, you can just simply open it up. You should be able to download and install it into your PC. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, comment down below. And thanks for watching.